Welcome back to the Ticket Setup Series. In this section of the Setup Series, we're going to focus in on how Ticket can fully report inside of Microsoft Power BI. This is going to be a multi-part series where first we're going to get ready for the Power BI experience. Then we're going to load Ticket's Power BI template into Power BI Desktop. And then lastly, we're going to publish our Power BI template into our Power BI workspace and make it available in the Teams experience. So in this first part of the session, we're just going to get everything ready so that when we load our Power BI template, we're ready to go. And the first thing we need to do actually is get an access token so that Power BI can leverage that access token to read data from my specific ticket environment. To get an access token, what a ticket admin will do is they'll travel over to the settings area and they'll go to access tokens. And what they'll do here is create a new token and give it a name. So I'll call this Power BI. And I have to specify an expiration date. And I'll go ahead and say end of next month. Now, the roles are subjective to what you're actually doing. So I'm just going to give this an agent role to read information across the service test database here, and I'll click save. Now what you're going to see here is a prompt, and this prompt is very specific. It's saying, here is your access token. You probably should copy this off and put it somewhere safe so that you can reference it later. And the moment you close this dialog, you lose visibility to this token. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this to a clipboard, and then I'll drop this into Notepad. And I'll go ahead and minimize that to come back to it later. Now I have my Power BI token, which will then travel me into the next part of getting everything ready, which is downloading the ticket provided Power BI template. So to do that, I'll actually travel over to help.ticket.ai, which is our help center. And I'll go over to the articles area. And in this area, we have a how-to section. There's a bunch of how-to articles here. One of them is, I can't find it. There it is, Power BI integration. The step-by-step on how to set up Power BI. But specifically what I want to grab here is the template. And that template is going to be for the plan that I have access to. So Power BI reporting is available in the service desk plan and our ITSM plan. The reason why there's two different templates here is because there's different data models available to each one, and we are constantly refreshing these templates, so you will need to use the plan's data model that you care about. I'm currently using ITSM, so I'll download the ITSM plan here. Now that will drop into my downloads area up here, and I'll go ahead and extract that. And once I have that available, I will see that I can now access that Power BI template. Now, that's all you really need for the preparation of launching into Power BI Desktop and loading this template. What I'll do now is I'll pause this session. I want to thank you for your time and look forward to seeing you in the next one as we further set up Power BI for Ticket.